Paulinda is an innovative toy manufacturing enterprise with focus on R&D and production of children's educational toys. It was established back in 1999 in Ningbo city, Zhejiang province. Looking back on the 22 years of experience, Paulinda is committed to providing happy childhood and inspirational educational experience to children worldwide.
We have this showroom because when customer coming from the overseas country, they also always want to understand like what item you have. Right now Paulinda we have about like 60,000 SKU items.
Wow!
So it's plenty of a big range of products. So we need to have a showroom to explain to our customer.
Right.
Here I want to introduce to you because this is a very good selling item. What we are doing. Can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so you can see that we get this like we call it like high tech, and we have like a wooden paddle. Everybody knows that wooden paddle, all the children know how to build up. But after you make a wooden paddle, what more you can do, So and then we use our compound to stick on the surfaces, and then to make them into the real life. Let me show you how to work.
Wow. It's not just a wooden toy anymore. It looks like almost like a real, 3D toy, right?
Yes, right.
All right, now we are standing in one of the production lines of Paulinda. So let me tell you this, at the moment Paulinda has 70 workers in their office and around 200 workers in the production lines. Paulinda has 300 square meter office space in the center of Ningbo city, and also 15,000 square meter production space in Maoshan industrial zone in Ningbo, and 35,000 square meter factory space in Hubei. So all decoration follows the standards of factory audit requirements, obviously, and also currently Paulinda factory has the production plant, filling plant and packaging plant. As you can see, different purposes, different plants for different purposes. And obviously I need to mention this, all the products, modeling products here, they are in compliance with the EU's stringent borax content. As you can see here, the workers are very careful in weighing the product's weight using these special scales, and they are all wearing the masks to follow the instructions here in the work environment. The production line is separated for different purposes, and this is for the foams here, as you can see. And workers know what they're doing 100%, and they are, as you can see, they are really well trained. All right, now we are in Paulinda's quality testing lab. As you can see here, there are in total 5 chemical engineers working who are responsible for the daily checks of the products. As you know, these products are like, playing mold and the slime. This might have a microorganisms, so that's why these tests are being carried out and they are safe before they're sold to the market. Now we are in the packaging design and graphic design office. So let me introduce. In total, in this office, there are 8 workers. On my right, there is a packaging design team. On my left, there is a graphic design team.